Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was craving a chicken sandwich and I went on Yelp and I found this place, and it's I guess it's called a popcorn chicken sandwich, I guess. And one of the pictures I saw was this popcorn chicken sandwich. It had this like nice creamy sauce over it. It looks so good, so I wanted to try it out, and I got some french fries. This is actually at a boba shop place, and I don't really like boba drinks, but the popcorn chicken's really good. So this, you got the fries. Let me just show you a close-up on the chicken sandwich. That's a close-up, guys, so you know what I'm working with. And I'm trying to experience with my mic. I usually have my mic over here, and I always go like this, and you can hardly hear me. So now I have the mic. I don't know if you can see it, but it's attached to the cup. I don't know. I'm gonna try something different. There we go. All right, let's just start eating. Let's try some French fries. It's seasoned really well. It's really good. To drink or drinking emergency. They give me extra popcorn chicken, as you can see. I wish I got some sauce. Let's try one. It's good. It's a little spicy, but it's good. Alright, start of the show. Let's try this popcorn chicken sandwich. I asked the guy if this was spicy, and he said no. But I think it's a little spicy. Let's try it out. The tomato is really fresh in here. It's like really fresh. Wow. It's spicy. For sure. But guys, it's still good. You probably, the guy that probably asked doesn't probably like spicy food, so that's probably why he thought it was not spicy. Like if I try this chicken by itself, I don't think it's spicy. No, not right here. It's good. Are you kidding me? All right, we're gonna put some ketchup. I don't know if I should put it on the fries. Maybe I should put it on the fries. Yeah. I don't know. So it took them a while to make the chicken sandwich and the fries, about 15 minutes. So I know everything is fresh. That's really good. Tastes fresh. Yeah. Okay. I like the sandwich too. Even though it's spicy, I like it a lot. So today I used a new product in my hair. I got this at Target. It was on clearance for $1.98, a regular $3.99. It's like a moisturized hair mask. And I just put it on my hair for like 20 minutes. I think my hair looks more tame. Definitely looks more softer. So I recommend these hair masks if you guys want to try it out. I also I got something on Avon that one of my coworkers, that lipstick, what's this called? I don't remember the name of it, but that's what it looks like. So it's a little bit red, my lipstick. I usually have a lighter lipstick, but it's good. There's one boba paste that I kind of like for their popcorn chicken, and they have like 3 or 4 or 5 different sauces, like in the dining room area. This place did not have that, but But they did put it on the sandwich. I wish they would offer more sauces. Maybe I could have asked. I don't know. But so this one has a little bit of chicken left. Okay. But yeah, it's good. So this sandwich costs $8 and the fries cost $4, so like $12. In case you guys are curious about the price. I guess these boba places are really popular. I don't really care for boba too much though. Really good. So another thing I want to tell you guys about, I got something at Walmart. This was only $6. It's a ring light for your phone. Check it out. And I'm going to do a test to see if you guys, let me know if you tell a difference. I did a little experiment. I didn't really tell much difference. But basically, do you see this button right here? You push on it once and then twice. I think that's the high, oh, maybe 3. Okay, 1, 2, it's 3 times. So that's how bright it is. So what you do is you put it on your phone. We're going to do a little experiment. And see if the lighting's better. I thought I tried this before. I didn't think it was much better, but I'll let you guys tell me if it is better. I'm going to do that right now. Put it on my phone. You just clip it right here. See that clip right there? You just clip it. All right, the lighting's on. Let me know if you guys tell a difference. I don't know if I can tell much. Maybe there is a difference. I just can't really tell. So yeah, work is going really well. I've just been really busy lately. So how are you guys doing? You guys doing great. So I'm doing a little experiment on my face. I've been using some face sheet masks I got from Target. Now these face sheet masks are between $2 to $5 each, so they're not that expensive. And I think my face is looking better. After 3 or 4 days, I noticed also my face was more clearer than usual. So that's good. So yeah, my face is looking better. I've been kind of busy lately these days, guys. I've just been like kind of stressed, busy, you know, dating and working a lot of hours because of Christmas and Christmas shopping. Like there's Christmas coming up. I gotta shop for like a lot of people, my sister, my brother, my mom, the kids. So, oh wow, I think the butter of this bun. I can tell it's buttery. Mmm. I'm a little stressed, honestly. A little stressed out. Yeah, doing a lot at once. I just feel kind of stressed. How do you guys handle the holidays? Do you ever get stressed? Or are you calm? For me, holidays is a little stressful. You know, it's fun, but it's just stressful. You know. You hear that crunch on the lettuce? So yeah, I haven't done live in a while. I've just been really busy. And Christmas doesn't help coming up. I'm really getting extra time off for Christmas, so I have to like, you know, wrap presents, buy presents. How do you guys handle that? Let me know. You know, some people do get depressed around the holidays. It's just natural depressed. So yeah, post a question on Instagram. What you guys want me to do a live video on next? So it looks like the trend. A lot of people wanted me to do like a nice Italian meal, pasta or fettuccine, either to go or to make and cook at home. So I might want to do that, but right now I was sick last week, and so I'm trying to get over my sickness. But I'm hoping to when I get better and not be so sick all the time. You know, because I'm working a lot. That I could do a live video. Now, when I do a cooking video, that's going to take a lot of work and energy out of me. Cooking videos takes double the editing. Like if I cook, that's why I don't cook every meal, because it's just so long to edit and just so long to film. But if it's live, I wouldn't have to edit it, but I still have to cook it, so that will take a long time to cook. Cooking a whole Italian meal will take several hours. I feel like it for me. So thanks for the ideas. I got another interesting idea. Someone wanted to do like tomato soup and grilled cheese. That would be something simple and easy. If you guys have any simple and easy food ideas, let me know. I'm looking for simple ideas for the holidays. I still like the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich a lot better than this. But I know a lot of people have messaged me and say they tried the Popeye chicken sandwich, they didn't really like it. They were really bummed, you know, they didn't really like it. I don't know what to say. I mean, I like my location. Maybe different locations do different things, or maybe they. I know they made the one the Popeyes I went to they made it fresh. I saw them, so it wasn't just sitting there. So maybe that was what it was. Some people didn't like their spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes, and I don't really know why it will be different than my location. The only thing I can think is maybe they just didn't make it fresh. I don't really know. I thought it tasted moist. It tasted fresh. It was very crispy. It's very good. And maybe people have higher expectations you know, Popeyes is apparently advertising, or people are telling, people are just thinking Popeyes chicken, spicy chicken is the best spicy chicken sandwich ever. So maybe it's just too much hype that you're expecting it to be like the best chicken sandwich ever. But I liked it a lot. So, and when you have high expectations about something, you want it to be really high. So I thought it was good, but like I said, it could be the location. I don't know. So full. But it's always good to try new restaurants. I'm really glad I tried this one out. So I think it's a good place. The rice and potatoes are really fresh in here. I really like it a lot. I'm getting full, guys. I get 2 more fries, that's it. I'm full. Wow. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you next video. Peace.